he got a bone metastasis. 3 years, for 3 years right now, 2006 year till now. Okay, he got a bone metastasis. Okay, but now the PET CT scan find nothing in the bone. Everything is just fine. So it's a miracle in the world, in the whole world, because he got 2 cancer. Very difficult, and this one is his good friend, very good friend, a very famous one in Taiwan and mainland China. He's one of our Taiwan famous medical school dean. Okay, and he is his best friend for over 30 years. He told him, don't have any hope. You're hopeless because you got this kind of cancer. And then treat so well, so he's so surprised that tension liquid can do such a miracle. Okay, Mr. Su will invite Mr. Lu and us, all of us, every year when his birthday. He will invite us to the hotel and have a dinner with us to celebrate his reborn. Okay. And this is a very famous doctor, Dr. Xu, 许达夫先生, 许达夫医师, Dr. Xu in Taiwan. He's a neurosurgery, very best, the best of the best. But he got colon cancer on his own, the third stage, very terminal stage with a lymphatic node metastasis. But without surgery, just use radiation therapy and tension liquid and Qigong and drink good water. Now it's over 6 years, and write 2 books to introduce tension liquid in Taiwan and all over the world. Okay? Okay, this is a thyroid cancer. Okay, before it's more swallow, and after treatment for 1 month, use tension liquid just to put it in the mouth for a while, yeah, and swallow slowly every day for 40 cc's every day, and until now it's very good. Okay, and the same one is also have the tongue, not tongue cancer, but suspicious tongue cancer. He got an ulcer here and with bleeding, and he used tension liquid 40 cc's per day to soak, to 含着这个天线液 ，OK， 含着天线液 ，soak in the mouth. Okay, for 1 day, only 1 day, the bleeding is stopped. Only 1 day. Okay, it's amazing. The picture is not, I didn't take the pictures. His son is a college boy, and he take a picture for his brother and take pictures to us. Okay, and this is sarcoma, a 14 years old little girl, sarcoma in 2001, and now he's growing up. He's with surgery on the left knee, sarcoma, with surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation, and the tension liquid. And until now, 8 years, almost 9 years, very good, and it's getting older now. Okay, that's 14 years old. Now it's 22 years old. Yeah, her mother. And this is the nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Yes, she's a writer, and she used the surgery and the radiotherapy and the tension liquid. Until now, until now is 6 years, 7 years. Okay, a lot of cases. Okay, this is breast cancer. This is me. Okay, I'm a little fat at that time. Okay, and this is breast cancer with bone metastasis. That's terminal stage. cancer patient with breast cancer, and he treated. We used the Chinese medicine injection. Okay, in mainland China not here, but he used tension liquid, tension serious products, and now very happy. He's very rich. She's very rich because her husband is a factory boss. A boss. He owns a big factory in mainland China. So she's so afraid of dying. Yeah. Okay. Use tension liquid. And now here we see the picture. Maybe you can see very clear, but I will explain it for you. This is the famous cancer center in the United States, in New York. The name is Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York. From 2006 to 2008, it got 3 times champion cancer center in the United States. Okay, 3 times, 3 years. And the official website showed tension liquid information on their official website. Okay, so they're very serious about this product because they know that over millions people in the world during the 19 years use tension liquid to fight their cancers. Yes, okay, and more than 29 it should be 29, more than 29 books published in Japan during the last 19 years, okay, talking about tension liquid, including famous doctors, including the patient testimony, okay. So in Japan, so our company, the name of our company is, China-Japan FEDA Union, okay, because the most large market in the beginning in our group is Japan. But you know, Japanese is very cautious. They don't believe any Chinese herb medicine in the beginning because I don't believe either. I study in mainland China, I know there's a lot of fake product, a lot of fake herb medicine, a lot of exaggerated advertising herb medicine to blow up their, how can do with cancer, with diabetes, with every kind of chronic disease or very awful disease. But I don't buy that either. Japanese don't buy that too. They don't buy that either. But tension liquid, they buy it because we have so many experiments in Taiwan, in Japan, in Hong Kong, in United States. We got over 24 experiments, over $3 million US cost to do all kinds of experiments. I will show you later, okay? And the book in publications in English, and also this one is in the Yale and the Harvard Medical School library, okay? And the ingredients of tension liquid, including a lot of Chinese herbs, and you can. Now, there are so many papers to show that Chinese herb has apoptosis-inducing effect and also have immunomodulating effect. 虫草、人参还有甘草，还有珍珠粉还有这个女贞子。Okay, that's all the Chinese herbs. There are so many experiments to study how effect they can do with cancer, and also with anti-metastatic, anti-angiogenesis, anti-cancer, anti-tumor Okay, all kinds of effects. So tension liquid is a compound herb medicine with all kinds of anti-cancer, angiogenesis, all kinds of these herb medicine ingredients in tension liquid. Okay, so the experiments of tension liquid, that's the National Taiwan University. National Taiwan University in Taiwan is over 115 years long ago, very long history. And National Taiwan University never take herb medicine to do their experiment except tension liquid. And now we are accepted by the National Taiwan University Hospital to do the official clinical trial. Okay, I just told you, yeah, yesterday. Yeah, that's a good news. And so, but today is too many people. I can't say that again. Okay. So it's a very, very special moment for tension liquid because during 115 years, National Taiwan University Medical School or hospital never use Chinese herb medicine to do any kind of experiment or clinical trial, but only tension liquid. Okay, that's very, National Taiwan University Medical School is the #1 medical school in Taiwan. Okay, and they do a lot of experiment here, so you can see. These are the 4 kinds of human cancer cells. This is cervical cancer cells. The red spot here it means they are active, they are alive. Okay, and that's the 2 kinds of liver cancer cell, and this is esophagus cancer cells. They are all alive. When you put the tension liquid into it, it will become green. The green spot means they are apoptosis. They are getting done. Okay, but this one is a normal cell, not cancer cell. It's a normal cell, the epithelial cell. Normal cell, but you use tension liquid, drop into it, nothing happen. They don't die. So tension liquid, this experiment has done in 10 years ago in National Taiwan University laboratory. Yeah. So they found that tension liquid herb medicine has the molecular targeting ability, just like the latest chemo drug, molecular targeting chemo drugs. They don't do harm to the normal human cells, but only to the other cancer cells. So they tried 15 kinds of human cancer cells, including, well, lung cancer, gastric cancer, liver cancer, cervical cancer, nasopharyngeal cancer, lymphoma cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer. Over 15 human being cancer cells lines to do with the tension liquid, and they are all apoptosis. The +3 means they got 3+ here, means this five kinds of cancer cells apoptosis over 80%, and the 2+ means 40 to 80% apoptosis, and 1+ means below 40% apoptosis. But the last 2 normal cell, not cancer cell, is minus, no plus. That means no apoptosis in the normal cells. That's amazing in the laboratory experiment, and published in the SCI journal already in 2004 and 2005.